everyone, welcome to DBBytes. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download Oracle database on a Windows computer. So to do that, first open your web browser and search download Oracle 21C for Windows and go to the Oracle official page, and you can see the Oracle home link in the first list. Before downloading, make sure you are signed in with the Oracle account here. If you don't have one account, you can create a free Oracle account. So just click the database home to download Oracle 21C and accept the license agreement and click the download button. Just wait for the installation file to finish downloading. As you can see the screen, our downloading was completed. Let's install it. So to do that, just go to the folder where it is downloaded and choose the file and extract it here. Choose the location as it is default, so just extract it. It will take few minutes to extract all the files. Just wait few minutes. So after extracting the file, you will see the lot of files here. Just go down and you will see the set of application file, and just double click it to install the Oracle. After a few seconds, you will see another pop-up wizard where you need to configure some database related configurations. So in the installation process, you will see the first configuration setup where you will check the create and configure single instance database and click the next button. And you will see the two options here, desktop class and server class. So we will go to the desktop class. We don't need a configure server class, so just click next, and you will see the configuration for the Oracle user. So just check the create new Windows user and give username and just give the password as well. And click the next button. So you will redirect into the typical installation part. In the typical installation part, I'm going to change the Oracle base folder. So inside use C folder, I'm going to give Oracle 21C folder where I need to extract all the installation folders and files there. And also we have a global database name here, ORCL. So we need to give a specific password for that to access ORCL database, which is default installation in this 21C Oracle database. So just give one password. After this, just click the next button. And it will check few configuration prerequisites. You can see the password was not matched. Let me, after setting the password, just click the next button, and this is the confirmation. Just click the yes and it will checks, and all the configurations are done. Just we click the install and wait. So it will take some time, maybe around 10 minutes. So we will wait for the installation. Oracle Database 21C successfully installed. To check the installation, let's verify the installed version through connecting SQL Plus. Just open your terminal and type SQL Plus /sysdba. As you can see here, the installed version of Oracle is 21.3.0.0.0. So yeah, that's all. Stick around with DBBytes, because in the next videos we will dive deeper into SQL and database designs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.